Hey guys, welcome back. I'm Nicole and the host of our YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to answer one of the most common questions that we get here at Insurance Brokers of Arizona, and that's, will my auto insurance policy cover windshield repair or replacement? Keep watching to find out. The most common claim filed in Arizona is arguably glass claims. In fact, Arizona auto glass claims surpass California and Texas. In Arizona, most auto insurance policies will cover some, if not all, the costs associated with repairing or replacing a windshield. However, the coverage varies from policy to policy. In most cases, windshield repair or replacement would be covered under your comprehensive part of your policy. Comprehensive coverage is typically optional in most states, but if you have it, it will typically cover damage to your car that's not caused by collision, such as vandalism, theft, or, you guessed it, damaged glass. If you don't have comprehensive coverage, or if your policy has a deductible that's higher than the cost of the repair or replacement, then you'll probably have to pay for it out of pocket. Another thing to keep in mind is that even if your policy does cover windshield repair or replacement, there could be some restrictions on where you can actually get the work done. Many insurance companies will only reimburse you for repairs or replacements that are performed by an authorized glass shop. And in some cases, you may only be able to get repairs done. Replacements may not even be an option. The bottom line is make sure to ask your agent about your insurance carrier's glass coverage. That way you'll know what coverage you have and you won't be surprised by any out-of-pocket costs. And if you're ever unsure about whether or not something is covered by your policy, our team of experts here at IBOAZ are always happy to help clarify things for you. Leave any comments or questions below and give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to click that subscribe button, and we'll see you next time.